and welcome to London. This vibrant city is known for its rich history, stunning architecture, and bustling streets. Today, we're going to focus on one of its most iconic landmarks. Today, we're off to see one of the city's most famous landmarks, Tower Bridge. This magnificent structure has been a symbol of London since it was completed in 1894. It's hard to imagine London without this iconic bridge. Tower Bridge is not just a crossing over the River Thames, it's a testament to the city's innovative spirit and architectural grandeur. It stands proudly over the River Thames, a symbol of London's history and engineering prowess. The bridge connects the bustling financial district of the City of London with the lively South Bank, making it a vital artery in the city's transport network. With its soaring towers and elegant walkways, Tower Bridge is instantly recognizable around the world. The twin towers are connected by two horizontal walkways, which offer stunning views of the city and the river below. But it's not just a pretty face. Tower Bridge is a working bascule bridge, meaning it can be raised to allow ships to pass through. This engineering marvel was a groundbreaking achievement in the late 19th century. This bridge has a fascinating story to tell, one filled with Victorian innovation, architectural brilliance, and a touch of royal sparkle. The construction of Tower Bridge took 8 years, 5 major contractors, and the relentless efforts of 432 construction workers. So put on your walking shoes, grab your camera, and let's step back in time as we explore the magnificent Tower Bridge. We'll delve into its history, uncover some lesser-known facts, and appreciate the beauty and functionality of this London icon. Whether you're a history buff, an architecture enthusiast, or just a curious traveler, Tower Bridge has something to offer everyone. Let's begin our journey. Our journey begins in the late 19th century. London was a bustling hub of trade and industry. The city needed a new bridge over the Thames, one that wouldn't disrupt the busy river traffic. In 1876, a design competition was held, attracting over 50 entries. The winning design, a marvel of Victorian engineering, was chosen for its ingenuity and beauty. And so, in 1886, construction began on what would become Tower Bridge. The challenge was immense. The bridge needed to be high enough for ships to pass underneath, but also accessible to pedestrians and carriages. The solution? A bascule bridge with a central section that could be raised. This groundbreaking design was a feat of engineering. Massive hydraulic engines powered by steam would lift the two bascules, the roadways, in just 5 minutes, allowing even the tallest ships to pass through. Tower Bridge is a masterpiece of Victorian Gothic architecture. Its two imposing towers, clad in Portland stone, stand at an impressive 65 meters tall. They are connected by two high-level walkways, offering breathtaking views of the city. The bascules, each weighing over 1,000 tons, are engineering marvels in their own right. Hidden within the towers are the massive counterweights and hydraulic machinery that allow the bridge to be raised and lowered. It's a fascinating glimpse into the ingenuity of the Victorian era. Section 5. Colours of the Bridge. A Victorian masterpiece. Have you noticed the striking colours of Tower Bridge? The bridge wasn't always this way. Originally painted chocolate brown, it was repainted in its current red, white and blue colour scheme in 1894. This colour scheme was chosen to celebrate Queen Victoria's Diamond Jubilee, and it has remained a beloved feature of the bridge ever since. The contrasting colours highlight the architectural details and create a truly iconic landmark. Section 6. Raising the Bridge, a spectacle for the ages. For over a century, the raising of Tower Bridge has been a captivating spectacle for locals and visitors alike. This iconic event has drawn countless onlookers, eager to witness the engineering marvel in action. The bridge, with its majestic towers and intricate mechanisms, stands as a testament to human ingenuity and architectural brilliance. In the past, the bridge would be raised up to 50 times a day. This frequent activity was necessary to accommodate the bustling river traffic, including tall ships and cargo vessels that navigated the Thames. The sight of the bridge lifting, with its massive bascules moving in perfect harmony, was a daily occurrence that never failed to impress. Today, while the bridge is raised less frequently, it's still a thrill to witness. Modern-day tourists and Londoners alike gather to watch this historic event, capturing the moment on their cameras and smartphones. The anticipation builds as the barriers come down and the bells start to ring, signaling the imminent rise of the bridge. As the bascules slowly rise, accompanied by the sound of warning bells, it's a reminder of the bridge's vital role in London's history and its continued importance as a working bridge. The slow, deliberate movement of the bascules, lifting to allow river traffic to pass, is a mesmerizing sight. It serves as a living link between the past and the present, showcasing the enduring legacy of Tower Bridge. Whether it's a tall ship, a modern yacht, or a ceremonial vessel, the raising of the bridge remains a moment of awe and wonder for all who witness it. Section 7. Inside Tower Bridge, a glimpse into history. But Tower Bridge is more than just a bridge, it's a museum too. Step inside the towers and you'll be transported back in time. Explore the Victorian engine rooms, where you can see the massive steam engines that once powered the bridge's bascules. Walk along the high-level walkways, now encased in glass, and enjoy panoramic views of London. Learn about the bridge's fascinating history through interactive exhibits, photographs, and films. Section 8. Tower Bridge in popular culture, a star on screen. Tower Bridge is a global icon, and it's no stranger to the silver screen. It has been featured in countless films and television shows, from classic British films to Hollywood blockbusters. Remember that iconic scene in Spice World where the Spice Bus leaps across the gap in Tower Bridge? Or the dramatic shots of the bridge in films like Sherlock Holmes and Mission Impossible? Tower Bridge adds a touch of London magic to every scene. Section 9. A symbol of London, more than just a bridge. Tower Bridge is more than just a bridge. It's a symbol of London itself. It represents the city's rich history, its engineering prowess, and its enduring spirit. Standing on the bridge, you can feel the energy of London pulsing around you. The Thames flowing beneath, the city skyline stretching out before you, and the constant hum of activity all around create an unforgettable experience. Section 10. Visiting Tower Bridge, a must-do in London. No trip to London is complete without a visit to Tower Bridge. Whether you choose to admire it from afar, walk across its bascules, or delve into its history inside the towers, Tower Bridge is an experience you won't want to miss. Book your tickets online to avoid the queues and allow plenty of time to soak up the atmosphere. And don't forget your camera. You'll want to capture every angle of this magnificent landmark. Section 11. Conclusion. Tower Bridge, an enduring legacy. As we come to the end of our journey across Tower Bridge, take a moment to appreciate its grandeur and its legacy. This bridge is not just a crossing over the River Thames, it is a living piece of history, a marvel of engineering, and a symbol of the City of London itself. This iconic bridge has stood for over a century, a testament to Victorian engineering and a symbol of London's enduring spirit. Built between 1886 and 1894, Tower Bridge was designed to ease road traffic while still allowing tall ships to pass beneath. Its construction required the labour of hundreds of workers and the ingenuity of some of the era's most brilliant engineers. So next time you see a picture of Tower Bridge, remember its story. Think about the countless people who have walked its pathways, the historical events it has witnessed, and the technological advancements it represents. It's a story of innovation, resilience, and the enduring power of human ingenuity. From the original Victorian engineers who designed and built it, to the modern-day engineers who maintain and preserve it, Tower Bridge stands as a monument to human achievement. And it's a story that continues to inspire awe and wonder in all who visit this magnificent landmark. Whether you are a local or a tourist, standing on Tower Bridge and looking out over the Thames is an experience that connects you to the past, present, and future of London. So, as you walk away, let the legacy of Tower Bridge stay with you, reminding you of the incredible feats humans can achieve when they dare to dream and build.